FightCamp home boxing system app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe what happens when boxing meets smart fitness technology. The FightCamp home boxing system app brings high-intensity boxing workouts right into your living room, no gym or coach required. But is it really the knockout solution it claims to be? Let's find out. Starting with the pros. FightCamp combined wearable punch trackers with a powerful app that measures punch count, speed and intensity. You can see real-time stats during workouts, turning every session into a personal challenge. The classes are led by professional trainers, and the app includes hundreds of workouts for all levels from complete beginners to advanced boxers. Another big advantage is variety. Beyond boxing, the app offers strength and conditioning, core work, and recovery sessions. The community aspect also keeps users motivated. You can compete with friends or join challenges to stay consistent. Now, the cons. The equipment bundle, including gloves, trackers, and a punching bag, can be expensive upfront. You'll also need space for setup, which may not work for smaller homes. The app subscription fee adds ongoing costs, and while it delivers great cardio, it's less focused on muscle building or flexibility training. In conclusion, the FightCamp home boxing system app is perfect for anyone looking to build strength, endurance, and confidence through boxing. It's motivating, data-driven, and fun. But if you're short on space or prefer other training styles, it might not land the perfect punch for you.